Draw with Elena.
Pizza party. To draw pizza party, you can use 1 white paper plate, 1 brown crayon, 1 red crayon, 1 yellow crayon. Other colors you can use are black and green. First, let's use the brown crayon to draw a big circle for the edge of our crust.
And I want to race my toy cars on it like a track.
Now, let's use the red crayon to draw a squiggly circle for the edge of our pizza crust.
Red is my favorite color.
I like it, but yellow's my favorite.
Next, let's use the yellow crayon to draw another squiggly circle for the edge of our cheese.
It looks like an angel's halo.
Now, let's use red to draw medium circles and color them in for pepperoni. I'm drawing 3.
I want lots more pepperoni.
Don't forget to save some room on your pizza for more toppings. Let's use brown to draw sausages. First, draw small cloud shapes, then color them in. What other toppings should we add?
Bacon,
Pineapple,
Broccoli,
blueberries,
gummy worms,
cookies,
oranges,
candy.
hot fudge.
Let's learn how to draw more types of toppings.
It's too small.
Zoom in, please.
If you want to add mushrooms to your pizza, use brown to draw a C, then close the C with a 3-sided rectangle and color it in. If you want onions, draw brown rectangles. If you want peppers, draw green rectangles and color them in. If you want spinach, draw a green heart with a stem and color it in. Green olives are 2 green circles colored in with a red dot in the middle. Finally, black olives are 2 black circles colored in. Finally, let's color in the rest of our pizza. We'll use brown to color the crust. Next, let's use red to color in the pizza sauce. Finally, let's use yellow to color in the rest of the pizza so it looks like cheese.
Sprinkling cheese looks like snow falling.
Draw with Elena.
Great job, everybody!